patterns. Children, let's learn how to make a simple thing more beautiful and more attractive. Tony is wearing a sweater, but it has no designs. Make patterns with the help of sketch pen. And color it. Your designer sweater is ready.